What's up everybody, it's Phantom Classic here, and I'm bringing you guys another tutorial video. This has been requested from my friends and also members of Phantom Esports that I'm a part of. And it's how to achieve super smooth slow motion like the montages I've been posting on here on this channel recently. If you guys want examples of that, I'll put it on the screen now.
Hold up, I think my mom is calling. Oh, never mind, that's your bitch.
So if you guys want something like that in your montages, all you have to do is have Premiere Pro. There's no paid plugins you need or anything like that. So all we're going to be doing is timer mapping and adding optical flow to the end of it. So with that being said, I'll see you guys in Premiere and let's get started. Okay, so here we are in Premiere Pro. First thing we want to do is obviously have our video on our timeline. So throw your video on your timeline real quick, and then you can follow along with me. It's super simple. So what I like to do first is I right click on the video, make sure we have unlinked checked, right? So make sure our clips are not linked together. So our audio file and our video file are separate. After that, your video file will look like this on your timeline. I like to bring mine up so I can see my keyframe here. Okay, so bring yours up so you can see your keyframe. Then you want to right click again, go down to show clip keyframes, timer mapping, and then speed. So once we click on speed, you can see we can click on this keyframe. So let me first show you the clip I selected and what we're going to do to it. So this is the clip I selected for this tutorial. What we want to do is right here where we hit the cipher in the head, or right before it actually, right before it, we're going to make a keyframe. And then right as he's almost fallen all the way on the ground, probably right there, we're going to make another keyframe. So now once we have our keyframes done, what I like to do is I like to expand our timeline clip by at the bottom bar here. Okay, so now that we have everything set up and we have it pulled apart, what we want to do is we want to lower this all the way down, and this is our speed of the clip right here. I'm going to say about 7%. We want it super slow motion. We might have to readjust this bottom bar to fit it back into the screen for you guys. Okay, there we go. And then what we want to do is you can see how you can click on these individually. What we want to do is we want to bring this out. And this is our ramp time for our speed, right? So we want to bring this out, keep out here. And then it goes back to normal there. Okay, so we can kind of see the ramp time that I have set up now. So what you want to do is you want to click back on this. And this, you want to move to the left. And see how it kind of curves the line to smooth everything back out. So once we do that, we want to do that to the other side as well. We want to kind of smooth everything back out. Okay. Now once we have this, this is going to be super slow motion here. And it's going to come back up. So we right click on that. So once we have that set, we right click on the clip. And then what we do is go to time interpolation. And we go to optical flow. So once we have optical flow, you'll see it's red on top here. That means this needs to be rendered. So by hitting enter on your keyboard, it'll start rendering. It'll bring up this right here. Let it render out all the frames, and then we'll play it back and see how it looks. You might have to make some adjustments after you play it back, but that's okay. You can just re-render it after. It's no big deal. So he comes in, kills the Jett, and that's what we're looking for right there. So that's actually really good slow motion. And super smooth, right? Bang, and then right there. And then you can, this could be like an intro to a video, like I've used on my Lovely montage. So boom, you hit right there, and then you just transition out to, like, you know, the rest of your montage. So, and why we want to leave this audio clip separate is that way when we do this, you saw it stretches the video. So that way, if I hit the cipher here, we can kind of line up right where that impact is to make sure all our audio is synced up correctly. Makes it a lot easier. So now that we have everything set up for slow motion, let's add a little impact to this clip. So we're gonna come here. I wanna cut here. And right about here, I wanna make another cut. This is a preset I have. You guys just add whatever shake you have or whatever you use for montage. If you guys need presets for camera shakes or CCs, I have some of my own that I have made that if this video does well enough, maybe gets like 100 likes, I'll throw them in a Google Drive for you and put them down in the description below. So hopefully that'll help you guys out too. So we throw our impact here. And right when I hit, boom, we got the camera shake there. It comes through. Perfect. So what else I want to do, what we can do is grab all these. I'll throw this into it's my crop settings. And then also CC on top. And then we'll re-render this clip. And see how that looks. So you guys go. You saw the pause there. Obviously, if I was doing this in a montage, what you'd want to do is come over to your effects control panel here, right? Bring this out. Select this clip individually. And what you'd want to do is here, where that ends, you'd want to start in the middle here, and then take all these effects down to where it goes down to 0. So you want to keyframe them down to 0. That way it's a smooth transition from there, right? But our slow motion's good, everything else is good. So once I would have done that and keyframed the effects down to 0 to where it met the line there, you know, then you just continue on with the montage, or if that's the clip you want to just post one clip to Instagram or whatever, Twitter, you know, you just do it that way, you render it out. So I hope this has been helpful for you guys. If you guys have stuck around to the end of the tutorial, I really appreciate it. Hopefully I'll be making more of these just for effects that I use and other things like that. Also, I want to do like a setup tour of my PC, my desk, everything I use on my desk, and my stream settings too, because I do stream on Twitch Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. It's 7 p.m. PST, so if you guys want to come play some Valorant or just whatever games we're playing at the time, you're more than welcome to come in, and we do open lobbies, so you guys can come play some games with us. Also, there's gonna be many more montages coming out on this channel. I love editing, so be looking forward to that. And thanks again for watching. So if you guys have liked the video or found it helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. I just made this YouTube channel, so we're trying to hit 100 subscribers. It's only about a month old, and that would help out a lot. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.